In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a customer overpayment in Xero. Managing finances accurately is key to maintaining good customer relationships and ensuring your accounting records are correct. Whether it's due to a clerical error or an enthusiastic customer, overpayments happen, and knowing how to handle them efficiently in Xero will save you both time and effort. First things first, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and click on the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password, then click on the login button again. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, navigate to the bank account section by clicking on Reconcile Items. This is where you'll process the overpayment. Next, find and select the customer invoice that corresponds with the overpayment by clicking Find and Match. This feature allows you to match the amount received with the invoice issued. This step is crucial because ensuring that you're working with the right invoice helps avoid future discrepancies. With the correct invoice selected, the next thing to do is click on New Transaction. From the drop-down menu, select Receive Money. This choice reflects the incoming funds that are beyond what was initially expected. You'll then see options for categorizing the transaction. Click on Direct Payment, but since we are dealing with an overpayment, you'll need to change it to Overpayment within the Transaction Type section. Once you've made this adjustment, it's time to save the work you've done so far. To do this, click on Save Transaction. Saving frequently is a good habit as it ensures that you don't lose any progress if anything goes awry. After saving, you can now proceed to reconcile the transaction. Reconciliation is the process of ensuring that the records in your software match what's reflected in your bank statement. Go ahead and click on Reconcile. Finally, confirm everything is correct by clicking OK. And there you have it, you've successfully processed a customer overpayment in Xero. Remember, handling overpayments promptly not only helps in keeping your financial records tidy, but also signals to your clients that you manage your operations with precision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.